United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 21. Laws and regulations of the coastal state relating to innocent passage. 1. The coastal state may adopt laws and regulations, in conformity with the provisions of this convention, and other rules of international law, relating to innocent passage through the territorial sea, in respect of all or any of the following. A. The safety of navigation and the regulation of maritime traffic. B. The protection of navigational aids and facilities, and other facilities, or installations. C. The protection of cables and pipelines. D. The conservation of the living resources of the sea. E. The prevention of infringement of the fisheries laws and regulations of the coastal state. F. The preservation of the environment of the coastal state and the prevention, reduction and control of pollution thereof. G. Marine scientific research and hydrographic surveys. H. The prevention of infringement of the customs, fiscal, immigration, or sanitary laws and regulations of the coastal state. 2. Such laws and regulations shall not apply to the design, construction, manning or equipment of foreign ships unless they are giving effect to generally accepted international rules or standards. 3. The coastal state shall give due publicity to all such laws and regulations. 4. Foreign ships exercising the right of innocent passage through the territorial sea shall comply with all such laws and regulations, and all generally accepted international regulations relating to the prevention of collisions at sea.